Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a project share from items that I got from Bede Park, and I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. The first thing, I got these molds from Bede Park, and I decided to try to use the oven bake clay, the polymer clay, in these molds. It was a little difficult, not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna use at least this one more with the resin. This one isn't as bad with the clay, so I think it's just because it's a little shallow, so it's a little harder for me. I'm new at the whole clay thing, so I used the black clay that I had gotten, and these are the pieces that I got. If I can pick them all up. And I think I did pretty good for my first try. So we've got a little cauldron here. Got a book of spells. Got two let's see if I can pick these up. Two pumpkin faces. Got a crystal ball. Whoa! A crystal ball. And then, let's see, I've got a little frog. I thought this one was super cute. Got a witch's shoe. Oh, another pumpkin face. And the moon. And then the witch's hat, and the witch's broom. So I thought these turned out super cute. It was my first time working with polymer clay of any sort, and you have to work with it for quite a while for it to get any type of consistency that you can use. So yeah, I don't know that I will continue with the clay. I might use these up, but yeah, I had a rough time with the clay. So the other thing that I did is I used this clear casting epoxy. It's Easy Cast, and you can see, well, sort of, it's to about here. So you can see I haven't used much. I made 4 pairs of wings, and I'm going to show you those in a minute. The first 2, I used this Reflex Violet and Carbon Black. And then for the second 2, I used this Russet Red, or Red Russet, and Duo Red Blue. It's like a iridescent, like, it says red blue, but I think it looked a lot of more pink. So the first 2 that I did these a few days ago, and I pulled them out, and I think they look really good. I did have an issue. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it or not, but there's like little dips in the tips of the wings. Because I had put a mold release spray in there, and I think it had formed some bubbles inside the mold. So I had a little bit of issue. But for my first pour, I thought these turned out really nice. I really like them. And then these should be ready to go. I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what they look like in the mold. These have been setting for a day. And this is the Red Russet. So I wanted to go ahead and show you how easy these come out. This is why I didn't use the spray the second time, because these pop out beautifully. You just have to pull the mold away and you're good to go. And that is the red russet. I think those turned out really good. And no, it still looks like they have a little bit of the stuff on the tip. So I don't know what's causing that. It could be bubbles in the epoxy. I don't know. But I still think they're turning out pretty well. And it could be the mold, because it looks like there's like little bits inside some of the wings. But that is the mold after it comes out. And when I ordered them, they come in a 2-pack. And this one I kind of messed up. You can see there's like a little bit of resin right here. So hopefully that won't affect it too bad. But you just go around pulling at the mold and it pops off pretty nice. And yeah, you can see here there's a little bit of a hangover, but that's okay. I'm sure it could probably be easily chopped off or something. But that is this is why I said it looks more pink than red, but it's the more iridescent color. You can see it better on the back of them. It's like a pink blue color, but I thought those were pretty cute. They turned out pretty, I think. I like them. So yeah, that is the 4 wings that I made. I really like this mold. I think it works really well. It only takes 3 ounces of liquid to fill it up. So it's not taking a lot at all. I'm using these little medicine cups, which I need to get more of these because I'm almost out. I've just been using the extras we have from Home Medicine. That we don't need this many cups of, but you can wash them out, but I haven't done that yet. I've just been throwing them away because I'm kind of leery of just washing things in my sink. So I don't want epoxy going down my sink. But anyway, so yeah, that's what I've been using. But so yeah, I will have the link for Bead Park so you can go check them out. They do have quite a selection of silicone molds. So yeah, I have so many on my wish list on there because I really like these white ones. And I think they work out really good. I really like my wings that I made. And I will be making more of these. And you can see they have a hole because the mold has a little thing there for the hole. So you can make ornaments out of them. You can hang them from your car mirror. You know, you can put them wherever you want to. So yeah, just thought I would share that with you guys. And I will have Bead Park's link below. And I will also link these molds that I used so you guys can check them out. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.